My name's Rachel Hare and I've been a specialist contracts lawyer for 23 plus years now. One of the ways I can really help my clients is by showing them how the risk allocation in the contract works. I've actually published online a number of different articles and posts about risk allocation and how it's balanced as a bit of a spectrum where you can change the risk allocation of a particular clause in a contract, which benefits then the contractor more or the principal more. And that's really handy to talk my clients through because I can sit them down with a piece of paper and actually draw out a clause and say, right, this is what the risk allocation of this particular clause looks like. As you can see, it's not really in your favor, but then again, the clause does say A, B, and C, so you could probably live with it. So why don't we not raise this clause with the client and we'll go for broke on the indemnity and the limitation of liability. So that's something where I'm able to help my client make those trade-offs and help them negotiate with the client in the project to identify the best changes to make and hopefully get those changes made. So there's a number of reasons there why you do need a contract lawyer who specializes in contract drafting, contract negotiation, and contract review to help you understand what's in a contract, identify its risk allocation, work out if it needs to be changed, get those changes negotiated, check that the contract has actually been amended to reflect the changes correctly, and get it all ready for you to execute. It's unfortunately not as easy as sitting there and saying, oh, I'm just going to read this contract, in 20 minutes I'll be done and we can sign it. Because unless you've got that specialist expertise in all those different areas, and particularly a legal expertise in this case, it becomes really hard for you to pick up the problem areas of the contract. I hope that helps give you a bit of an idea and insight into how the contract review process actually works. If you'd like to have a chat with me about any contract review you've got coming up, or if you'd like me to look at your whole contract review process and suggest ways we can make it operate smoother or upskill some of the personnel involved, give me a call and I'll look forward to talking to you soon.